Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The cryptographic money market has become very cutthroat, however has developed enormously as additional foundations embrace the utilization of advanced monetary standards in their everyday business and speculations. Sxp has areas of strength yet it is viewed as an unpredictable resource by numerous financial backers as they move most of their possessions to a more steady cash. Notwithstanding, Sxp intends to be a completely decentralized resource after its procurement by Binance, which ends up being a promising improvement for the convention. However, in this piece, we assess the potential outcomes of Swipe Sxp, recapturing its forward movement before very long by investigating the center essentials of the undertaking, ongoing turns of events, specialized cost examination, and an intricate perspective on Sxp cost figures from cryptographic money specialists. What is Swipe Sxp? Swipe or Solar Network is a local area-driven decentralized stage to make an environment where organizations or people can create check cards supported by digital money and cultivate a simple installment experience. Swipe is worked to go about as a scaffold between installment organizations and crypto trades. They intend to empower genuine administration inside the organization with solid local area investment and use the delegated proof of stake (DPoS) agreement system to keep a productive and powerful blockchain convention with many elements. This made the convention one of a kind and not the same as the other blockchains ventures as it keeps turning on present-day innovation. The Swipe network awards clients a profoundly solid structure to get to near 150 cryptographic forms of money in north of 70 million locales as a mechanism of exchange and installment. The local badge of the convention, the Sxp token, is a flexible coin that serves many capabilities inside the organization like administration and marking rewards, multi-chain exchanges, on-chain, and off-chain installments, and so forth. The symbolic aid in taking special care of handling and exchange charges, a method for deciding on the convention for overhauls and authority, openness to the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and is likewise valuable in card issue expenses. One of the extraordinary highlights of Swipe is the novel API and lock include that permits the client to report a taken or lost card, which is gone to promptly work the client procures another card. Sun-powered network was obtained by Binance in 2020 and stretched out its element to help the transformation of NFTs, advanced resources, and digital forms of money to fiat at a forward-thinking change rate. In November 2020, Ignition, a stage that upholds the course of initial wallet offering, IWO, utilized for financing new tasks, was sent off by Swipe to draw on the making of new pursuits while giving liquidity and client admittance to the main group. They went further to get Spend.com in March 2021. Spend.com is an installment framework that uses cryptographic money for its installments, and this coordinated effort was to extend the incorporation of digital currency in the customary money area. Notwithstanding, Joselito Lizarondo surrendered in December 2020, around 5 months after the securing by Binance, and the convention got rebranded to Solar Network. Versatility. Sxp is a utility symbolic that was worked to be the fuel force of the Swipe organization, a DeFi stage that empowers cryptographic monetary resources upheld by Sxp. Swipe gives a great many items and administrations to its clients with the multi-resource DeFi application that permits them to change over digital currencies and fiat. Swipe Sxp Current Price. Swipe is at present worth $0.388437. Sxp has moved -3.30% as of now with an exchanging volume of $21,157,978. Swipe is at present positioned 139 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $192,291,474. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Swipe Sxp, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Swipe Sxp Price Predictions. with the potential for additional receptions, coordinated efforts, and the utilization instance of swipe. The cost esteem is supposed to reach fresher levels on the off chance that the worldwide market stays impartial or becomes bullish for a more extended period. A portion of these coordinated efforts with specific ventures will prompt development and market capitalization. In any case, what are the cost projections for the token in the following decade? Swipe, Sxp, Price Prediction 2022. Swipe, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. Sxp. The Sxp cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.582656. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal, averaging $0.54382 and cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Sxp is supposed to have a base worth of $0.4666125. Swipe, Sxp, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Swipe Sxp cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Sxp will before long outperform $0.971093. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Sxp's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Sxp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.776875 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.854562. Swipe, Sxp, Price Prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.36 and Sxp might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Sxp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.24 and a low of $1.17 in 2024. Swipe, Sxp, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming Swipe effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the Sxp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Sxp will be green in 2025. The Sxp is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.75, with a base cost of $1.55.